Hola! Welcome to Spanglish. Today you're going to learn the personal pronouns. First of all, in this channel you're going to learn the Latin American style or the Latin American Spanish, because I think it's more straightforward and easy to understand. Once you get to reach the level that you feel more confident to talk, I think it's good to add the vosotros and vosotras, but I consider this a little bit challenging, but I also think that if you talk as a Latin American person, everyone will understand you. So there is no differences of communication if you would like to start quickly with Latin American style, which is just the differences ustedes, vosotros and vosotras. That's all. But it's a little bit harder, the conjugations. Alright? So let's start. So I means yo. For example, yo soy Maribel. You means tú. For example, tú eres un estudiante. He means él. She means ella. Okay, so in Spanish, él es un estudiante, ella es una estudiante. Okay, in terms of plural, we, right? We means nosotros or nosotras. Nosotros somos amigos. Ustedes, you in plural, right? Ustedes son estudiantes. And they, which means ellos or ellas, ellos son estudiantes, ellas son unas estudiantes. Alright? So this is the basic to understand. It will be amazing that you can repeat these personal pronouns all the time if you are starting to learn Spanish, because you will use it all the time. Alright? So far today we have learned the personal pronouns, and in the next video we will make it a little bit more difficult with the regular verbs.